এটা আজি ইলেকশ্যন শেষ হোৱাৰ পাছত তোমাৰ কি কাম আছে কি চাবা
Hi, it was the day of 9th April 2026, which was the Assembly election day in Assam. As we all were getting ready to cast our vote, I was simply showing the background which was not aesthetically pleasant at all. It was my second time of casting a vote as a citizen of India, and it was my brother's first.
বেকগ্ৰাউণ্ড কাক দিবা তুমি এইবিলাক কথা নকয়
Then, along with my mother, we all three went to the voting center. Then, right before stepping into the line, our phones were collected by the officers present there. The most fascinating thing, according to me, about this election this year was the involvement of the young generation in the politics. As new candidates are participating, along with the awareness carried by this generation was really commendable. It kind of gave a satisfaction somehow that the country's future is on safe hand. That's it for today. Bye.
উৰ্জা থাকিব লাগিব উৰ্জা